You've learned how to create a fabulous online environment that includes collaboration and constructivist learning, one that helps your students feel connected to their learning, classmates, and instructors. But now, how do you go about making that learning experience truly student-centered? In this module, you will learn about assessment in an online environment, specifically the importance of timely feedback, formative assessment, and the tools that keep it all organized and transparent for your students. The learning objectives are to differentiate and identify the similarities and differences between successful online and face-to-face assessments, to understand the rationale behind creating and implementing assessments in online learning environments, to identify and review components of formative assessments, to review and to demonstrate effective and authentic use of grading rubrics, to develop and deliver assessments, projects, and assignments that meet standards-based learning goals, and assess learning progress by measuring student achievement of learning goals. In the textbook, be sure to pay very close attention to different types of online assessment tools, because you will need to refer to a few of them in your portfolio assignment, and be able to tell how they help students through the different stages of assessment feedback. See Tuttle's Stages in the assessment section of the textbook. Also, under the formative assessments section, be sure to check out the article Fantastic! Fast Formative Assessment Tools by Vicki Davis. It has some great examples of online tools you might be interested in using yourself. I also highly recommend that you follow Vicki Davis on Twitter at CoolCatTeacher and subscribe to her blog, CoolCatTeacher.com, as she is awesome. And with that, let's look at the Module 6 Assignments tab. Your first assignment is to create a discussion post and then respond to at least 2 of your peers. You will be utilizing a Google Slides to submit your unique discussion posts this week. Be sure to read the directions carefully and take a look at the example slide to see examples of the required elements for this discussion. You will write your replies to your 2 colleagues in the notes section. Be sure to put your name before your comments so that we can give you credit. I'll bet you didn't know Tom Petty and Aretha Franklin took this course. This week's portfolio assignment is best accomplished by reading the required elements carefully to be sure that you have them all in your final assignment. Also, check out the 2 examples in the Student Resource page and the 2 in the subpages of the Student Resources tab. The key to this assignment is to make sure for each of your 3 assessments that you have explicitly scripted out the activities that make up Tuttle's Stages. Look carefully at the examples and even go back to the discussion thread as you did the same thing there for one assessment. We strongly recommend creating your assessment plan in a Google Doc, being sure to use hierarchical formatting to make it screen reader friendly. Then publish your assessment and embed it into your appropriate portfolio page. Your third assignment and reflection is exactly as they have been in previous models. Be sure to stick with the same frameworks that you used before. You're even closer to your final goal now. Keep chipping away and your perseverance will pay off.